Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Qubo door lock password. To begin, locate the reset button on your Qubo smart door lock, typically found on the interior unit. Press and hold this button for approximately 5 seconds until you hear a distinct beep, indicating the lock is ready for input. Next, carefully enter your existing administrator password on the keypad. This step is crucial for authenticating your access to modify the lock settings. Ensure you input the correct sequence to proceed smoothly. Once you've successfully entered your old administrator password, the Qubo lock will prompt you to set a brand new one. This is your opportunity to create a strong, secure password. Input a new password that is between 6 and 10 digits long. After entering it the first time, the system will ask you to re-enter the exact same sequence to confirm. Double-check your input to ensure accuracy, as this will be your primary access code going forward. Beyond the administrator password, you might want to add specific user passwords for family or guests. To do this, access the locks menu by pressing the star key, followed by the hash key. Navigate through the options to select Add New User Password. You can then enter a unique password, typically 4 to 8 digits in length, for each individual. Remember to confirm each new user password by re-entering it, ensuring everyone has their own secure access. After setting all your new passwords, it's essential to test them immediately. Try each new administrator and user password to confirm they unlock the door correctly. For enhanced security, make it a habit to regularly change your administrator password, perhaps every 3 to 6 months. Always avoid using easily guessable sequences like birthdays or simple number patterns. Finally, keep a secure, private record of your passwords in case you ever forget them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.